Hello everyone! On this video I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous marble look centerpiece. If you're new to my channel, subscribe for ideas like this and much more. Now let's get creating! Some of the items you will need are a glass vase, a glass candlestick holder, a glass plate, and a small metal displayed easel. For a complete list of materials used, please read the description box. First, paint your glass items with white paint, or you can use a primer. Create the marble look, I'm going to use Easy Marble Paint, and I got this set from Amazon. I will be using the colors white, blue, and green. You will also need a container deep enough to dip your items, and you're going to fill it with cold water. I used painter's tape to cover the areas I don't want painted with the marble paint. Make sure to shake well the paint, then pour a few drops of the blue paint, then I will add the white and then the green. You have to work fast or the paint will dry. Next, I'm going to use a wooden skewer to swirl the paint, and then I will dip my vase. Look how beautiful the colors look. Next, I will repeat the same process with the rest of my items. Now let me show you how gorgeous this looks. I've removed the tape and the paint is completely dried. Next, I'm going to use this triple thick clear glaze to give my items a thin coat. my items are completely dry and the clear glaze gave them a nice shine. Now I'm going to decorate my vase with this silver diamond wrap, silver flower mesh, and I'm also going to use these bling stickers that I got from Michaels, and some of these rhinestones round stickers that I also got from Michaels. I'm going to take a 2-row strip of the silver diamond wrap and I'm going to glue it around here. And for this, I'm going to use both my hot glue gun and the E6000 glue. The reason why I use both glues is that the E6000 takes so long to dry, but the hot glue dries almost instantly, so it saves me time while I'm filming. Let me show you what it looks so far. Now I'm going to glue another 2-row strip of the silver diamond wrap around the neck of the vase. Next, I'm going to take 4 of these stickers and I'm going to glue them around this area. Wow, isn't this gorgeous? Now I'm going to take some of these round rhinestone stickers and I'm going to glue one between the other stickers. This vase is looking amazing. I just love it. Next, I'm going to glue the candlestick holder to the vase. For the purpose of this video, I'm using the hot glue gun, but you should use a strong glue like the E6000. I forgot to add some bling to the candlestick holder, so I'm going to decorate it now with a 3-row strip of the silver diamond wrap. Here is my gorgeous vase. I also added 1 flower from the silver flower mesh, and now my vase is complete and looking amazing. I'm so happy with the way this vase turned out. I have to show it to you again. It looks amazing. And now to display my plate, I'm just going to put it right on this easel. And here is the finished product, my friends. This centerpiece is absolutely gorgeous. If you like, you can add your favorite flowers to the vase or just display the centerpiece set as it is because it is that beautiful. Alright my friends, this is all for this tutorial. I hope I inspire you to create some of these ideas. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe so we can create beautiful DIY projects together. Have a blessed day!